Dropping the beat. The meaning of drop a track. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to delve into a phrase that resonates with the rhythm of the streets and the pulse of the music industry: drop a track. Stay tuned as we explore what this phrase means and how you can use it to sound like a native. The phrase, drop a track, is contemporary slang originating from the music scene. It means to release a new song or music track to the public. Artists drop new music when they want the world to hear their latest creations. It's not just about releasing music. It's about making an impact with something fresh and exciting. The term, drop, in this context likely comes from the idea of something being delivered or issued suddenly and with impact, like a DJ dropping a beat at a party. It encapsulates the sudden release of music that quickly spreads and is heard by many. You can use drop a track when talking about music artists or when you're excited about releasing your own music. For example, did you hear that the band is going to drop a new track next Friday? I can't wait to drop my track and see what everyone thinks. This phrase is commonly used in social media, music platforms, and by radio hosts. It reflects the digital era where music is often released online with immediate availability to listeners worldwide. And there you have it. Drop a track is a vibrant expression that captures the essence of music sharing in the modern age. We hope this explanation helps you understand the phrase and maybe even use it when your favorite artist releases a new song. Thanks for watching, and may your playlists always be full of freshly dropped tracks.